Hi there. I'm just going to show you the basics of navigating Google Drive. Okay, so basically Google Drive is sort of like USB or a hard drive that you can access anywhere that has internet or Wi-Fi. You can use it on an iPod or an iPad. You can use it on a tablet. You can use it on a desktop or a laptop. It's completely up to you. And Drive holds all kinds of different files. It holds music files, MP3s, it holds documents, PDFs, it can hold pictures, it can hold videos. Anything that you can drag in there, it will store. So it's a storage space, really. So the first way to get to it, if you're in CCRSP, is go to gnspes.ca. You can see I just typed it in up here. And this is your login screen. And if you're a teacher in CCRSP, you want to use your group-wise credentials. If you're a student, you want to use your NSPES credentials. And if you don't have those, you're going to want to talk to your technology mentor at your school or your teacher. Okay? So I'm just going to log in with my credentials here. And you can see that it's just going to take you to this screen here showing your login. It might take you to your mail first, or it might take you to a screen with all the different apps on it. I'm just going to click up here on this tiny little grid, and you're looking for the triangle that says Drive. Okay. Also, if you're logged in, you can't find it. If you just type in Google Drive in the top of your search bar, or you go to Google, and you type in Google Drive, it's going to be your first link, and you can access it that way. So this is what my drive looks like. You can see I've got it all organized into nice files here. And Google Drive, you can do a lot of different things. It works just like a regular desktop. You can double click to go into files. Okay. You can sort things, you can color code them, you can right click on them to get more information in your drive. You can search things, you can make anything up here, like you can make a new folder, you can upload files here, you can make new documents or sheets or slides or forms or drawings. You can see anything that's shared with you or recent. So there's a lot of stuff and a lot of information here. So I'm going to show you how to best organize this. The first thing that I want to show you is how to make a new document. So there's a big red button that says New, and so if you click on New and you click on Google Docs, it will just simply in a new tab make a document for you. Okay, and I have another video on how to use Google Docs, and I'll put the link to it in the video here. But this is basically how to make a new document, and it will be saved for you. Okay, I'm just going to call this new video document. Okay, and it saves automatically, as you know Google Drive does. So I'm going to close it, and what you should be able to see here once I hit refresh is there's going to be a new video document right here at the bottom. And if I want to sort that, it's again just like on a desktop computer. You can just click it and you can drag it anywhere you want to put it. Okay, so if I want to put it, I don't really know where it goes yet, so I'm just going to put it in this little file folder here to sort. Okay, and it's going to be in this little document area with all kinds of stuff that I want to sort. Okay, if you want to make a new folder, you just click on the red new button again, and you click folder. It'll ask you to name the folder. Okay, and I'm just going to call this new sample folder. Okay, and it'll create that right there. Okay, the default is gray. I don't really like that. If you want to change the color, all you have to do is right click on the folder and you can change the color to any color in the rainbow. Okay, I like to keep everything in my drive really organized and really sorted because it makes it easy to find. So you can see here I've got classroom, I've got homework, I've got important files, I've got lessons, I've got things for my master's program, I've got student projects. These are all simple for me to find. So anything I create, I always make sure I put it, in the right folder. Okay, so that's how you make new things. Also, because you can share anything you make in Google Drive, if somebody shared something with you, if you click on the Shared With Me button here, you can see all the things that my students have shared with me, and I can easily find them and access them. And you can simply click on them, and a little bar up here appears, And if I click on more actions, for example, I can move it to another folder, okay? Or I can delete it, or I can add a star to it, okay? Anything in your drive, actually, if you right click on it, you get these options. If you click add star, like this, I added star to important. If I go down here in my little menu and I click starred, you can see all the things that I've selected as stars I can find really easily. So I like to star the important things in that I need to go back to. Okay, when you're done with it, if you don't want it starred anymore, just click remove star. Okay, and it won't be there. So this is kind of a place to go. It's like your favorites, or it's like some place that you want to jump to quickly. If you click on recent, well, you can see all the different files that you worked on recently, and it's in chronological order. Okay, if you go to trash, you can see anything that you've thrown in the trash, and it will delete itself after a couple weeks. Okay, so that's how you organize. If you want to select multiple things, so for example, if I go into a student project file, you can see I've got 5 projects here. Well, it's just like on a regular computer. If I select this one, and if I want to select another one, let's say I want to select down here, if I click shift and click, it selects them all. Okay, if I hit control, I can click my own that up. Okay, if your drive is disorganized, or if there's a file that you can't find, Drive works just like Google. You can click up here and you can click and look for I start typing in FANTASY, and I can see my students' fantasy storybooks, their fantasy unit. I can find things up here. If you're looking for a specific student, I can type in a student's name, and you can see anything with their name in it will be searched. Okay, and you can easily go right to that document by clicking on it. All right. Over here, you can change a few things. You can make it so things appear more in a list form. You can have it so they change alphabetically, and you can even see details of different files, like when a file was created or when it was last worked on. Lastly, in the settings area, if you click on settings and then click the little settings button here, you can change the view. Okay, so if you make it comfortable, you can see back there my files get a little more spread out. I like to keep it nice and compact so that it's really easy to see and move around. Okay, so again, basically, you can make new files and add new things by clicking on the new button. Okay, you can see what's shared with you by clicking shared with me. You can star things or see recent folders by using this over here. You click on these files by double clicking, just like a regular file folder. Okay, and you can also, if you want to put something into your drive, let's say that I want to add this video into my drive, all you have to do on your desktop, drag it in, you'll see this little blue circle, boom, it will start uploading. You can put as many files or folders as you want in here at a time. You can upload full folders, you can upload large videos, it's completely up to you how you want to do it. If you put something in there that you don't want or you want to delete it, let's go back to this little new video document. You simply click on it, look for the trash can, click remove, it's gone. Okay, thank you very much.